what we're doing with my elbow with her elbow, and it really transitions into a really cool move. I didn't see what she did, but I heard a noise. So first we're going to show it to you, and then show you how to do it. And it begins in the right to right. We'll show you a way to get into that, and then we'll just move into it. So should push 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. There's an elbow catch as she's going into a tuck turn. So a tuck turn, for those of you who are new to West Coast, or at least haven't done West Coast, normally you take your right hand on my left and bring her by 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Just a 6 count, raising her right over her head. This time, slightly different. So when I show the push, I go 1, 2, 3 and 4, right to right. Okay? In the right to right though, this is where the elbow transition takes place. So as she's coming in, right to right, you do a normal tuck turn. You're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Her right foot is weighted, my left foot is weighted. And I'm also off the track, so we're going to go this way. As she's coming in right to right, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm beside her on the track. My right hand's still holding her right hand, but the next part is where it gets a little tricky, where the connection with the elbow fits. So we're actually going to go front to back. This next part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now she's turning to her right. She's turning. I'm going to take my elbow and connect with the back of her right elbow. So going this way, we'll go this way. So as she's turning to her right, 1, 2, 3 and 4. As she's turning, I hook her arm up into mine. Okay? So if you don't do this part, there's no elbow, there's no connection. She'll keep turning. So it goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay? So I've got to have that hook nestled into my elbow, because the rest of it is I'm pushing off of that. So look at the whole way through. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. All right? You're catching that elbow and bringing her up, and then she's just completing her turn for a triple triple. So again, this whole way. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. I'm giving her a little push with my arm on her back, just so she sees the move complete. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Turn her to the left and get her back onto the track. That transition though, and that's one thing about this move, we're going to get to this off here on 4. As she's turning, I really have to get my hand turning my wrist and my fingers over to where I can hook the back of her shoulder or the back of her arm without me having to really bend her wrist back. Because that part doesn't feel good. Whole way through again. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 9 and 10. Hit a break on that. That's pretty cool. Getting the move on that. It's just a fun move, and I've shown 8 or 9 other elbow catches before, so I'll give you that playlist in the description box. There's a bunch of ways you can elbow catch your partner. This is just you like this?
I do like it.
She does.
I know.
She's such a good partner, and she's enthusiastic. When the camera shuts off, she's like, are we done? Hope you like it, guys. Thumbs up, brand new. We appreciate your support. And for Miss Lauren and I and everyone here at Encore Performance Dance Studios, we only have one thing left to say.
Keep dancing.